Optimism might fall 7.2% by June 8, according to 30 rates. Let's take a second to assess the current momentum. At the time of this update, Optimism is up 1.6% in the last 24 hours and trading near $0.0966. On to what the experts have projected. 30 rates projects the asset will settle at $0.0896 by June 8th, marking a possible loss of 7.2%. Digital coin price anticipates Optimism could touch $0.0937, marking a fall close to 3.1%. CoinLore highlights a scenario where it could move down to $0.0963, a decrease estimated at 0.3%. Another prediction by Traders Union indicates Optimism may move up to $0.0987, about 2.2% above current levels. Finally, crypto prediction sees $0.1113 by June 8th, 15.2% above current value. This is the most profitable forecast among those presented. 5 calls are in for tomorrow. Let's go further. With forecasts in mind, let's explore what's behind each one. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a decline of 7.2% to a gain of 15.2%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that Crypto Predictions expects the top return with 15.2% jump in value by tomorrow. Considering all forecasts, you could realize between $3 and $152 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probabilities, CoinLore's forecast takes the lead, holding a 98.1% chance of success. By analyzing all 5 predictions together, I've built a consensus scenario. The consensus forecast indicates Optimism could gain roughly 1.4% by tomorrow. Let's walk through the numbers. Consensus outlook places the price up around 1.4%. That translates into your capital growing by approximately 1.4% too. If you had $1,000 invested, the scenario could point to $14 in return. So in terms of chances, the consensus outlook for Optimism is placed at roughly 96.7%. To move things along, let's check the 3-day outlook as expected by analysts. 30 rates signals weakness, pointing to a fall. Digital coin price indicates that Optimism will likely stay level, reflecting market indecision. CoinLore expects downward momentum to persist. An upward path is anticipated by Traders Union. Further appreciation is likewise projected by Crypto Predictions. The consensus outlook shows Optimism shifting downward over this 3-day horizon. So, the balance of forecasts points to Optimism trading on the downside. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. The question is, which ones matched reality? At the close, the price stood at $0.0938. In this case, only 1 out of 5 captured the correct direction. If we judge by accuracy, 30 rates had the strongest forecast. Let's piece it together. None of predictions hit the daily range. For ROI performance, the only positive return came from 30 rates. Here's the daily summary, how each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. Meanwhile, Crypto Predictions had a estimated probability of 1.4%, $0.0267 in accuracy, and minus 9.5% ROI. Look over the results and find the forecasts that hit closest to reality. Now we'll see how the expected returns for tomorrow differ across several coins, including Optimism. Optimism is not the leader today, as the highest forecasted profitability belongs to Bitcoin with 2%. At this stage, Optimism is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table with many more assets is already waiting on my website. If this kind of multi-analyst summary helps you understand trends better, leave a like and subscribe. Talk soon.